These blinds are awful. It's just a pain in the neck to open them every day and close them because the bed frame is right in the way, and there's no other place to put the bed in this room because there's a door on this wall, there's a closet over here, and there's another door this way, and so it just leaves no space to put this bed but right up next to this window here. But then you're always constantly fighting the bed frame and the nightstands to be able to just draw your blinds back and then also shut your blinds. So today we're gonna make a change.
I ensure you're the right one for me. Didn't I see you involved? Nobody do it like this. Pandora bag, lucky charm that wrist. This is real life. I need someone that. Wait a minute. You need someone that. Pick up the phone every call. I can turn the crib to a mall. We're too high for climbing. It's all.
This right here now is so much better.
It's impossible because it's illogical.
This is wonderful. These smart blinds are awesome. They make the room look so much better, and they don't have all that clutter curtains on the sides of them anymore. It's a much cleaner look after I patch the drywall because I still have holes from the screws, but overall it looks so much better. These are smart blinds from Beasen. It's motorized blinds that can be controlled from this remote, like I just showed you, or it can pair to your phone actually, so then you can talk to Siri and tell her to open up the blinds in the morning.
Opening the blinds.
Syncing the blinds to your phone is very simple as well. They have a QR code that comes on the blinds. I took it off and put it on this little sticker here, and basically you're going to open up the Home app on your phone, and then you're going to scan the QR code on the blinds, and then it will pair the blinds to your phone, and that unlocks a whole bunch of new features. Now I can use my phone to control the blinds, or I can speak to my phone and give it different prompts if I want to say, close the blinds to 50%. Boom. And it gave me the notification, master blind set to 50%. So you can choose different percentages. You can also automate this so that it opens up every day at 7 a.m. and closes at 9 p.m. when you're going to bed, or whatever times you want to set it at. You can choose for the midday to go to 50%. So there's a whole bunch of customizable features, and it pairs to your phone just like that. So it's super easy to use now. I can close them or open them wherever I'm at, and that's pretty cool. You can also adjust the speed if you want to make them go up faster or come down a little bit slower. I have it right there in the middle speed because that's just the speed I like. When I turn it to a faster speed, it's a little bit louder, and I don't know if it burns out the battery a little bit faster, because it also comes with this. This is the cord that you plug into the top of your blinds to charge it if your battery dies. You can also get a solar panel to actually install right outside your window there to be able to just power itself by the sunlight, but I opted for this one because I think it's a little bit cleaner and I didn't want to hook up that solar panel. So I got this one that I just need to charge it. So the shades that I actually got were the Smart Motorized roller shades with 100% Blackout Safari, and I got the color Smoke, which I think turned out really nice. It's kind of like this mesh color, looks really good. And let me see what the price was. I think the price was around $400 is what it came out to, but I do have a pretty big size window here. If you had smaller windows, it'll probably be a cheaper price. Easy peasy. This is so much nicer now. I don't have to crawl over my bed just to close the blinds at nighttime, and then I have to like struggle opening them up to bring more light in the room. So this is so much handier and convenient, especially since our bed is butted up right against this window. So I am super glad that we got these. I think they look nice. The blinds feel like really good quality. Installation was super simple. All I had to do was take my measurements originally and then pick out the blinds I wanted on their site, and then I can choose different things I wanted. Like I chose to get this remote, I chose to get that thing that covers the top of the rolling wheel up there. So you can choose some of the features of how you want your blinds to look, whether you want them to be inside the window or outside the window. It came packaged really nicely, and it had these little brackets that came on top of the blinds that you screwed into the upper part of your windowsill there, and then you basically snapped it into place and it was good to go. I didn't even need an extra hand to help me install it. It was super simple, so it was nice. It was an easy DIY project, and now I have smart blinds that I can just control with this little remote or my phone. So overall, I'm really pleased with it. If you're interested in picking some of these up, then check them out for yourself. I'll put a link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on another one. Time for bed. Just kidding, let's go back up.